a healthy lunch recipe. It's super delicious.
It's nothing but aromatic herb rice with oven roasted veggies aside.
Yeah, once you eat it, you'll be willing to have it again and again. Let's start making our oven roasted veggies.
It's super easy way to include all the veggies with so much of flavors into your food.
Yeah, let's take a look into the ingredients. For the vegetables, you'll need 1 chopped carrot, some florets of cauliflower, half a chopped capsicum, 1 chopped tomato, 1 chopped onion, 5 mushrooms, 1 chopped potato, 2 green beans.
To marinate, you'll need some olive oil, salt, mixed herbs, 10 to 12 garlic cloves that's been minced, some chili flakes. The vegetables is all of your choice, but make sure you cut the vegetables so that it gets evenly baked. Let's start marinating the vegetables. Drizzle a nice amount of oil. We are using olive oil.
Then add in your mixed herbs. And then the garlic.
We have used fresh garlic here. If you prefer, you can use garlic powder if you don't want fresh one. Then add in the required amount of salt for the veggies and some spice. We are using chili flakes.
And then give it a good mix.
Let the marinade of veggies sit for at least 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's take a look into the ingredients that we need to make the herb rice.
We have cooked 1 cup of basmati rice with 2 cups of water. You can use any type of long rice that you wish to use.
You'll need some butter. You'll need lots of herbs. We have used your oregano, thyme, basil and rosemary. 3 cloves of garlic chopped, some salt and chili flakes for spice. While the veggies been marinating, let's start preheating our oven. I'm going to set it for 30 minutes in 230 degrees centigrade. Keep at the maximum temperature so that the veggies is roasted very nicely. If it's Fahrenheit, keep it between 400 to 450 degree Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, while the oven is getting heated, let's transfer the marinated veggies to the oven safe tray.
I can smell the nice marinade of the veggies. I hope they turn out nice and crisp on the rice.
The freshness of the garlic and herbs is really going to add a beautiful flavor to the veggies. The oven has been preheated. Let's place the veggies inside and let it cook for 20 minutes. You have to turn in between, like after 5 to 10 minutes.
Like how we did it in the chicken nuggets.
Yeah, exactly.
Now let's add in our creamy butter to a pan.
The butter's been melted. Add this 3 garlic cloves that's been minced. It adds a nice flavor. Butter and garlic are totally good friends. They complement each other mutually. When you can feel the raw smell of the garlic cloves is being gone,
Let's add in our nice herbs because it's the main part of our herb rice.
yeah, and the chili flakes that you need for the dish. You can add pepper, but we love the chili flakes to the herbs. And then some amount of salt. We have already added salt for the rice. Just we are adding little more salt. And that's it. All you have to do is mix this into your rice. You can off it or you can transfer it to the bowl and mix it. Whatsoever is comfortable for you. Just make sure the herbs are evenly distributed to your rice.
I thought this would be such a tough recipe, but when my mom told me, now it sounds super easy.
Super easy, super yummy, and you guys will love it to have it veggies. You can even add chicken or a lamb if you love to along with the veggies, but it actually tastes good with oven roasted veggies too. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's take a look. The vegetables are getting beautifully roasted. I'm going to turn it here and there and cook for another 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Can't wait to get the vegetables ready. The veggies has been beautifully cooked. Wow, the smoky flavor. Look at the mushrooms, the cauliflower, potatoes, everything has been roasted very well. Let's transfer it into a bowl.
Yummy herb rice.
Oven roasted vegetables is ready and the aroma is just filling the room.
Yeah, let's hope you guys like this recipe. Do try it at your home. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!